Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Ms. Shagufta Ibrahim is here with your social studies history topic, Indus Valley Civilization and the Aryans. Circa 7000 BCE to 1600 BCE, this was their period. uh, and it is also in your textbook on page number 5 till 10. And subtopic is Indus Valley, as we have done civilizations in Southeast Asia and in the previous class, and we have also learned which countries are included in Southeast Asian civilizations. Now we will discuss about the Indus Valley civilizations in this session. First, we will go through the introduction of Indus Valley civilization, where it was located. The Indus Valley civilization was a Bronze Age civilization in the northwestern region of South Asia and lasting from 3300 BCE to 1300 BCE, and in the mature form from 2600 BCE to 1900 BCE. So what did you get from this introduction? It was the civilization known as Bronze Age civilization. Why it is called the Bronze Age? Because Bronze Age is the historical period that was characterized by the use of bronze in some areas. As this age is known as the computer age in which you are living, because of the use of computer. mm, in this age, so this is known as the computer age. But in Indus Valley civilization there was a great use of bronze. It was a metal which was used by the people of the Indus Valley civilization, so it was also known as Indus Valley Age civilization. Bronze Age is the time period when people made tools from an alloy. It was an alloy, or people used to make tools from this bronze and also make the pottery from this also. And Indus Valley bronze is the mixture of mainly copper and tin, usually 9 parts copper to 1 part in this. So this alloy is used in making the different tools and equipments from bronze. So that's why it was known as Bronze Age. And northeastern region of the South Asia. Then current location is the Harappa civilization was located in Indus River Valley, and it is two large city, Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. These are the two larger cities of Indus Valley civilization, Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Harappa is located in present-day Pakistan's Punjab province, and Sindh province, and Mohenjo-daro is located in the province of Sindh of Pakistan, uh, respectively. Its extent reached as far south as the Gulf of Khumbat and as far east as the Yamuna Jamna River. So this is the location of Indus Valley civilization. The main two cities I have told you, the Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Daro. Harappa is located in Punjab province of Pakistan, and Mohenjo-daro is located in Sindh province of Pakistan. And Mohenjo-daro is a Sindhi word in Sindhi language, and translation of Mohenjo-daro in Urdu is Mound of Dead. Location, you can also see the location of Mohenjo-daro and Harappa and other civilizations through this map. Look at this. Harappa is located somewhat in the province of Punjab, and this is the Mohenjo-daro, and this is the map of Sindh here, and Mohenjo-daro is located in Sindh. Code Dilji is also here, and Lothal is also a civilization, so it is also somewhat to the east of Pakistan towards the Indian side. So this is the location shown on the map uh, of civilization. Beginning of civilization. How did Indus Valley civilization start? The roots of Indus Valley civilization can be traced back to the site of Mehergarh in Pakistan dated about 7000 BCE. So the roots were discovered from the Mehergarh in Pakistan about 7000 BCE में. And the civilization reached its peak around 2600 BCE and it went into decline around 1900. So from 2600 BCE and 1900 it was the rising period of civilization or the peak period of civilization, Indus Valley civilization. What is the Indus Valley civilization known for? What were their best work for which they were famous? The Indus River Valley civilization, also known as Harappan civilization, developed the first accurate system of standardized weights and measures, some as accurate as to 1.6 millimeters. So they were in practice of measuring very accurately. The weights were very accurate and they would have been measuring the things very accurately up to the zero point 0.6 millimeter. So they were known as they were famous or the well known for the accurate measurements or the standard weights. R.D. Banerjee, discovery and major excavations. Mohenjo-daro was discovered in 1922 by R.D. Banerjee, an officer of the Archaeological Survey of India. He was an archaeologist who made the excavation or digging to discover the traces of these civilizations. 2 years after major excavations had begun at Harappa, some 590 kilometers to the north, they discovered the Indus Valley civilization. Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. These two cities were located in what was called the Indus River Valley, 2600 to 1300 BCE. So you can see in the picture these two cities, Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, in the 2600 BCE to 1300. Key features of these civilizations and the cities of these civilizations are walled cities and gateways. So walls were constructed around the cities and gateways also were built on different spots of the cities. Paved streets and streets was also well designed and constructed, and brick houses and houses were made up of bricks which were baked bricks, and baths and sewerage system and markets. All the sewage system was very well developed in the civilizations, and markets were also uh, built in this civilization. So these were the main features of Indus Valley civilization. You can see in this case how well planned is the city is shown from the aerial view taken of this civilization. uh, Bricks, all the houses and constructions are made up of uh, bricks. Look at here, walls, uh, long large walls are also erected here. So these main features are also shown in this picture. People and culture. Artistic, intellectual element of Indus Valley civilizations. So, what was the artistic and intellectual elements? They were in practice of making the seals. Seals also show the pictures or the figures of different things or the symbols, and figurines and jewelry and pottery. They also were perfect in they have the skills of making different jewelry and pottery, and these jewelry and pottery is also found from the excavation of this civilization. So you can see in this picture all these are the uh, symbols or the uh, jewelry or different idols which are excavated from the Indus Valley civilization. All these are discovered from these civilizations. And these civilizations also had mathematicians, photograph writing was very perfect of the people of civilizations. Our agricultural farming along the Indus River led to a steady food source. So farming and agriculture was the main source of getting food for the people and animal. Led to a surplus in agriculture, and farming also they also grew the surplus amount, the excess amount of crops. This led to the formation of cities because the land was very fertile and they could grow the surplus agriculture. Because of this surplus agriculture, the cities began to be to formed uh, at Indus River. People domesticated crops to grow and farm animals. People also used to grow the crops and raise animals on their farms also. And the main crops were peas, dates, and cotton, which is also shown here, dates, peas, and this is the crop of cotton. So these were the three main crops which they used to grow in their farms. Technology. What was the technology used at that time in the Indus Valley civilization? Metallurgy. The people knew unconventional techniques of metallurgy and produced brass, copper, bronze, ivory. So these are the metals which they can use. They could use in making different alloys for making the jewelry and other things from these metals. These metals were used in making of ornaments, utensils, seals, and artifacts, etc. So all the ornaments or the decorative utensils were made from these metals. Indus Valley people used seals. This shows they had a well developed writing system, even though we cannot decode it. Look at here in the picture, you can see all these are known as the seals. So it shows they have a well developed writing system and they use figures in their writings. So their writing shows the symbols or the figures on the seals. But still the writing is undiscovered. The archaeologists could not understand the meaning of these. They could not find the meaning of these seals or the other writings or the symbols or the figures yet. Drainage system was very well developed, not like the Karachi these days. It was a well developed drainage and sewage system in Indus Valley civilization. There is evidence of very sophisticated drainage system in the cities of Indus civilization. The drainage system was so big that a human would have been able to walk through the middle of one. This was really helpful because if the drain was blocked, the drain could be easily accessed. They were also very clever because they used cement and clay bricks to make drains, which always sloped down hills. There is evidence which shows lots of small footprints in the bricks. This may indicate that children helped to make the bricks. So You can see in this picture, this is the drainage system, a very large and wide drainage system. A man can walk through it. So this vast area used in drainage system because of easy drainage of water and all the waste materials through it. So no blockage could be existed due to this well developed drainage system. How the city ended. There are different views about the ending of the city, but no one sure. Regular floods destroyed the area. Aryans invaders killed people and destroyed the Indus Valley civilization. A disease wiped out the civilization. So these are the main three reasons which are given by the archaeologists, that they are not still sure about any of these reasons. They thought that either it could be ended due to the natural disasters or the floods which have destroyed the civilization, or the Aryans have captured the civilization and killed all the people by force, or are diseased, or wiped out the wiped out the civilization. Here are some interesting facts. Indus Valley script has not been deciphered by linguists, so still the meaning of the seals or the writing is undiscovered. Deciphered means undiscovered. The language linguist means the language of civilization is still undiscovered. No one knows the truth about its destruction. So, how the Indus Valley civilization ended, no one could guess, and no one knows the fact how it was ended. 70% of the city is yet to be excavated, or still we have discovered only 30% of the civilization, and 70% city is yet to be excavated. Mohenjo-daro has a planned layout based on a street grid of rectilinear buildings. So you can see in this picture how rectilinear buildings are shown in this picture. So it is well planned architectural design of the city. The buildings were constructed of sun-dried and burnt bricks. The bricks are burnt or baked, which of the clay was baked to make the bricks. So the houses were very strong, made up of these bricks. So this was the discussion or the explanation of Indus Valley civilization. Hope all of you would have taken interest in this civilization. Uh, mm, I think history is always an interesting topic for most of the people. So please go through the book and read this civilization in your book from page 5 to 10, and watch the video which I will post later. So that's all for today's class. We will meet in next. Till then, Allah Hafiz.